name is Mr Nosakhare from Edo State, and I'm glad to be here. I get to know about the school through my wife, which happens to be a member of House on the Rock in Asaba. So, meanwhile, before now, I have already discussed with her that we have to look for a tech school for him, because tech school, I think, is the direction of the world now, not just the country. So she came up with this scholarship that was given to House on the Rock. I said, fine, that is a good one. That's a very good place to start. Let's start from somewhere. At the end of 3 weeks, let's see what we achieve. And truly, 3 weeks was good, was very good. And for them to get this kind of knowledge in 3 weeks, if we can continue like this for the next 1 year, at least we will get a lot of results. With what I'm seeing from the school, people have a very good teachers or a good coaches, and it's encouraging. Sometimes I will come and peep into their classes and see, because I'll be hearing him talking, hearing him sometimes laughing. I say, who is really interacting with you like this? I'll just come close and see, is he talking with somebody else? But when I peep in, I will find out that the coach is there and some other students are there. All of them are just, I say, fine, this kind of lecture is nice. As a parent, it means a lot to me. Because as a child growing up, I never had this kind of opportunity. That is why I always try as much as possible to give him that which I feel children should have. You understand? And this is one of it. And me seeing my own child at 13 doing this is a thing of joy for me. Number one thing that this does is that you can't see them playing out there like other children. That's number one thing that these things have done for me. Whereby you see other children playing around, you see him on the system 247. Yesterday, for about 3 days now, at 1 a.m., I will ask him to go and sleep. When I wake up again, maybe around 2 or 3, he's still on the system. I have to force him to go and sleep. You understand? That is my job, because he has taken them away from the streets. Which one thing I hate in my life, children playing around. There's no focus, nothing. But at least I've given him something to occupy him, and which is good, that will help him in the future. It's a thing that I really want him to continue. While he's still going to school, I really want him to have this grounded knowledge in tech. Understand? So I'm so happy to see him doing whatever he's doing right now. I love what you are doing, and I encourage you guys to do more.
It has been, from glory to glory for this child. I'm so happy. I'm so happy, sir. Thank you. You don't know what you did, because if not for this program, I wouldn't know that my child, is this, intelligent, actually, because he plays a lot. I didn't know he can sit down for an hour, 2 hours to listen. My son is restless, but in this program, he will sit down for 2 hours without blinking an eye. If he wants to go and read here, his speed, piam, is back. Honestly. You guys have taught him patience. You've taught him patience. You taught my son patience, how to sit and listen. Even in school, he needs to stand to listen because he's restless. But this one, he will sit on the chair. No. Thank you so much, sir. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord bless this school. It will expand. Amen. It will grow. In the name of Jesus. It will turn to university, because these things are not done in university. They only do theory in university. But just look at. No, please. Please don't stop, sir. Nothing will stop you, Biko. Nothing will stop you guys. Please. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.